Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Oyo State Governor Makinde cutting the ribbon to mark the opening of a new shopping mall under the retail establishment of the popular Hypercity in Port Harcourt. It's the third Hypercity store to be opened in the River State capital in just 1 year, a testament that business is booming and River State is a safe and profitable place for businesses and investors.
We will continue to give you security, tax holiday as you did mention that you were enjoying before I came in, and any other thing that you might want to require in the future. This is because government cannot do it alone. Government needs to join hands with everybody for the development of our dear state.
Hypercity is a chain of supermarket stores offering an unparalleled shopping experience across the entire spectrum of personal and household needs. It's also focused on offering quality, freshness, value, and reward to shoppers.
What does this mean? You have provided employment for our people. And I want to thank the communities here who have identified with the company. Look at the landscape of this area and what it has turned to be. It's not only government that can bring development. Private individuals can bring development, and government provided the enabling environment.
Impressed with what he has seen, Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, wants Hypercity to extend its services to the nation's capital.
I hereby invite you to Abuja. I will give you land immediately. And so that you will also contribute to the economic development of Abuja and will collect small tax and then provide employment for our people.
Oyo State Governor Makinde says his administration will do everything to also attract the franchise to Ibadan.
You're not looking at only the markets in Oyo State. Once you come, you have people from Ondo State, from Ekiti State, from Osun State, even from Kwara that will be coming there to shop.
Idagbo Biakeme, AIT News Port Harcourt, South Nigeria.